truth here in Manipur. The people of Manipur and the Congress party is trying our best to save the beauty of democracy in Manipur. The BJP, since the last few years, the BJP had been trying to strangle the free voice, the beauty of democracy in Manipur. They are destroying the beauty of constitution in Manipur. But it is the Congress party and the like-minded parties and all the people of Manipur who are trying to save democracy in Manipur. Even our leader Rahul Gandhi ji started his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from here. That's the main point that we are today experiencing. And it's a very big mandate. We are going to win this election by a huge margin of more than 1 lakh, I think so. Yes, they are really against this Bharatiya Janata Party, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Chief Minister of Manipur and the BJP government here in Manipur. They don't want to bring solution in a short span of time. Instead, they are playing dirty games to create more chaotic situation in Manipur. That's why the people are extremely angry with the way how they are dealing with the people of Manipur. Credit se Manipur miyam da piningi achumba pamba Manipur praja miyam da piningi, and then Sri Rahul Gandhi ji ki Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra da piningi, and then leader of Manipur Congress ki president Sri Kaisam Meghachandra, CLP leader Sri Okram Ibobi, Sri K Ranjit deputy CLP leader, amadi MLA Sri Surya Kumar, Sir Lokeshwar Moy mayam da credit se piningi adudagi hona biriba Congress workers mayam gi akhang kan maduna ngasi mai pakpani adudagi Manipur mayam gi nungsiba awaba maraksida khoi achumba bu pamba Manipur je achumba gi mayon do on bangam gadaba party sigi damakta India Alliance yaubiriba party mayam na hona biraga khoi ngasi mai pakpagi phibam je lakpani ana hainingi.